Here's a 2019 INFINITI QX50. This is refinement redefined. It complements what you do, moving through the world confidently. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, integrated navigation system with voice activation, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automatic parking sensors, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and continuously variable automatic transmission. Of the QX50, Kelley Blue Book writes, "Step inside and try not to be impressed by the stunning interior with colors, shapes, materials, and surfaces that make this among the most luxurious in the segment. For a distinctive life, you need a distinctive vehicle. INFINITI. Take it for a test drive today."
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.